What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I want to show you this wireless charging pad. So I thought we'd unbox this one. It's by me, not me personally, but you can see here 20 watt. This is true unboxing. Oh, didn't quite get it all. It's actually a really nice box. Nice packaging on this little bad boy. And here is what we get. Ooh, 2 boxes. So obviously the pad is right there, but let's take a look and see what we get in here. We get your charger. Wow, that's a big block. Dual prong right there. And then we also get, look at this, very nice cable. I would say this is up to Apple's standards. It's really nicely wrapped. And you can see it's USB-C, which is awesome. So go ahead and plug this in. Cable over here. And here is the charging pad itself, also in plastic. And it's actually fairly thick. It's got a nice rubberized piece of texture there. There's a little thread. And this portion right here is like rubberized, soft, and a little grippy. This is kind of your standard hard plastic. You can see the cord should go right in there. It's a nice fit, nice cutout. Have a little bit of a open seam here. Looks like some venting, maybe just for heat. And I will tell you that that is pretty nice. You can see a little flashing, man, I can't get rid of that thread. Little flashing LED right there. And so it's just a pretty nice, basic looking charger. Now, can I get it to work? Boom, looks like it's charging, and it is. Now, I'm actually going to unplug this because I'm using the charging brick that it came with, which is fairly large, and so I actually think it's a fairly high flow, and I'm just going to plug it into one of the standard USB outlets that you'll get anywhere else, and I want to see if it'll still work out of these. So it does not appear to. So I actually think it might require the power brick that it comes with. Because now if I plug that in, that seems to work, no problem. So, hey, just kind of keep in mind that you're going to use the brick that it comes with. But I tell you what, look at this. I mean, this rubberized pad. Actually, there's some rubberized material right here too, because it's not sliding around. But the nice thing is if I put the phone there, it's not going to come off. So, hey, if you want to pick up this Mi wireless charger, I will put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.